Habai kran bikinong pathai khubor ulampang ulapentikna bawa Rani Wilingdo UMLA na kaseng Kongres ula eno ekskinong yalam kaliang persha. Banamar gejing thali jongane kesuki lawan bankam ban shimtino do menteri rang ba barim gejela u Dr. Mukul M Sangma. Ulampang geng dorbar uleto banakaliang UMLA bamarway na kaseng Kongres uba Rani Wilingdo ula IT keshiti eno akam kumunong yalam kaliang persha. Mereka juga kapor ula iPad eksiti mula jing kersha ni ke AITC na kebentaban shimti kakam nong yalam kaliang persha. Ulong bada kejing trailang ke Kongres keberan UMLA bad ke AITC keberan sangut ke MLA kejing dan pat juki kalakot syakhandrungut ke balong shipau na kesispa na kejing dan kidkot agi yang dorbar tauan kejela. Ulampang ulong bamenta nsa syong ban bishar bad anspen benai kerai hagini kisisngi na arsngi hakabaydai bad kakam nong yalam kaliang persha but opposition chief whip.
You see, post of LO is a very important post. For example, now we have the State Security Commission. Okay, now if there is no LO, then from the opposition side there will be no representation in the State Security Commission, which is very, very crucial. Sometimes there are decisions that are taken, and maybe if there is the opposition, it will be a balanced and representation. You see, because after we have discussed, then Dr. Mukul Sangma and from my side, from the CLP, decided to come together and ensure that the post of LO is not left vacant, and being the senior most and having the most number from the opposition, because there are 5 numbers and with me it becomes 6. So we have proposed, and I hope the speaker will agree to our proposal. That is the understanding between the two parties, that since we have come together, that they will take the post of LO, and from the Congress will take the post of opposition chief. We have written to the speaker. Now it's up to the prerogative of the speaker to accept our proposal.
I received the letter of submission claiming staking claim to hold the get the position of leader of opposition. But I'm still examining it. I have received it, and I think I will be making a decision very soon. As per the claim of the TMC, as they have the support of one lone Congress MLA in the person of Sri Rani Wilingdo. So they have they have requested that post of LO be given to TMC, and the opposition chief will be given to Rani Wilingdo. Because they have now total of 6 members, which is just exactly 10% of the total strength of the House. So in that criteria, they have fulfilled that criteria. But there are other things. It's not the only, requirement. So I'm still reserving my decision. I will take a call on that very soon.